2025 সালের স্বাধীনতা প্রাক্কালে কেপিএমজি কর্তৃক দেশের চতুর্থ সেরা মিডিয়া স্কুল হিসেবে স্বীকৃতিপ্রাপ্ত ইউজিসি অনুমোদিত বিশ্বমানের প্রতিষ্ঠান আইলিড, দ্য ইনস্টিটিউট অফ লিডারশিপ, এন্টারপ্রেনারশিপ অ্যান্ড ডেভেলপমেন্ট উপস্থাপনা করল 1971 ইন্ডিয়াস ফাইনেস্ট আওয়ার নামে একটি তথ্যচিত্র, যা আইলিড ফিল্মস দ্বারা নির্মিত। উক্ত চলচ্চিত্রটি 1971 সালের ভারত পাক যুদ্ধ এবং বাংলাদেশের স্বাধীনতার স্মৃতিচারণ করে। এই তথ্যচিত্রটিতে যুদ্ধের বাস্তব সংরক্ষণাগারভুক্ত ফুটেজ দেখানো হয়েছে এবং ভারতীয় সশস্ত্র বাহিনী, সীমান্তরক্ষী বাহিনী এবং বিভিন্ন সরকারি মন্ত্রণালয়ের সমন্বিত প্রচেষ্টা তুলে ধরা হয়েছে। কলকাতার 4টি শীর্ষস্থানীয় স্কুল, সেন্ট অগাস্টিন ডে স্কুল, টেকনো ইন্ডিয়া গ্রুপ পাবলিক স্কুল গড়িয়া, সেন্ট্রাল মডেল স্কুল পার্ক সার্কাস এবং শ্রী সন্তোষী মা একাডেমি, কলকাতার 400-রও বেশি শিক্ষার্থীর উপস্থিতিতে ছবিটি ব্যাপক করতালির মধ্যে দিয়ে প্রদর্শিত হলো। অনুষ্ঠানে মাননীয় অধ্যক্ষদের স্বাগত ও সংবর্ধনা জানানো হয়েছিল এবং তারা সত্যি খুবই খুশি এবং অভিভূত। পুরো অনুষ্ঠানটি আইলিড কলেজ দ্বারা ক্লাউড টিভি নিউজ, রয়্যাল জুয়েল প্যালেস কলকাতা এবং উইনার আইসক্রিমের সহযোগিতায় পরিবেশিত হয়েছিল।
First of all, your name and introduction, please.
Myself. I'm Mrs. Annapurna Mukherjee from St. Augustine's Day School. I am the headmistress of the school and look into the academics and all the other portions of the school.
Great. And ma'am, how did you like the initiative?
It was really wonderful and mesmerizing because the way the children are being made engrossed into. I know media is the best way of keeping them captivated, the young minds. And they come into the reality, the boost from there, that this is how we should progress. And the ideas being given by our the highest authorities in the sense like our leaders, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Mujibur Rahman, and the other Marshal Maneshaw. So this was really, really wonderful, and really we have felt and understood the pledge of our country, that how India is progressing ahead. And now also as we go through the media and also the news, what we read through and through, that how we can, with our boosted spirit, we can demolish others having improper ways to kill people of India, to kill the morality of Indians. This is where we would be strongly defending that yes, we are Indians, we are proud of India, and we will go ahead and we will achieve our best. And India is the best motherland what we can ever have.
Please introduce yourself.
Good evening. My name is Sandeep Kaur. I'm the headmistress of Central Public School. It's truly an honor to be present here on the eve of Independence Day. I would like to thank IELIT and special thanks to Mr. Rajiv Datta for calling us. And about today's movie, I can say that it is very important to know about the dedication and courage shown for our nation. Children learn from the movies. They remember it. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm the principal of the Sri Santosha Academy. First of all, my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to you to show this type of movie in front of our students. Because nowadays the students they are not go through the history so much in the depthly. But here, just before the Independence Day, it's a charm to the students, because the Mukti Yodha of the Bangladesh, I think students are not so much knowledgeable about this.
Exactly.
But after seeing the video, after seeing the documentary film, they are much more knowledgeable right now. Thanks, and my heartfelt gratitude to you everyone.
Thank you.
Today is a very special day actually, because we celebrate this day 14th of August as Partition Horror Remembrance Day. And I was really very glad that my school students of 11 and 12 can make it today, because we keep on telling them in school about the horrors and the kind of initiatives which we have taken in order to spread the message that yes, we need to cherish our freedom. But when they see a movie like this, they realize the kind of hard work, the kind of strategy, the kind of patience which is required in order to maintain that freedom, work for that freedom, and definitely, since this movie is also about war, the fact that we always glorify war, but at the same time, our students learn today that it's along with the glorification of war, it is the kind of struggle, the kind of immense amount of pressure, stress, everything which has been managed by these soldiers, our defense personnel, the army, the air force, and the navy, so meticulously. So I think this is a lesson for them, that as they are growing up, they also have to learn these skills, and beautifully the movie was, I would say, curated for them. So it's indeed a pleasure that we are here. We could witness this great initiative. ILEAD, of course, has been doing such path-breaking work, and I've come to this campus before also. I know the visionary, Mr. Pradeep Chopra, the kind of dynamism he has. This is praiseworthy, and we want to be associated with ILEAD in future.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, your name and designation, please.
I'm Dania Sen, the principal of Technical Public School.
ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট আমার কলম।